So hello and welcome back guys. So in this video we are going to learn about how you can install a ShadCN into your Next.js project. So if you don't know what is ShadCN, so ShadCN is a library, UI library, which allows which allow you to copy and paste like elements means if you want to use any type of UI component, you can simply use components which are created by another people. Okay, तो इसमें आपको फायदा ये होगा कि आपको जो डेवलपमेंट जर्नी होगी जो फास्ट हो जाएगी, और साथ में यूआई जो होगा आपको उस पर इतना टाइम वेस्ट भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, और साथ में आपके जो यूआई होगा वो एकदम बढ़िया से बन के आएगा। ठीक है, तो इसके अंदर अपन जैसे कोई भी मतलब कंपोनेंट है वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं। जैसे कैलेंडर अगर आपको यूज़ करना है तो यहाँ से आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ShadCN is not only one UI library, there are much more. So what you can, there are lot of material UI is one of them. Okay, this is one of them. Eternity UI is very uh, good UI if you want to try out. So there are a lot of components which are extremely what you can say animated, or okay, so this kind of components you can try out. Okay, so in this video we are going to use the ShadCN UI inside our Next.js application. So this is the VS Code I have opened. So now I am going to open the terminal over here. So let's create a Next.js application. First of all, npx create next app @test. ShadCN is name of our application. TypeScript yes, ESLint yes, Tailwind CSS, source no. So our Next.js application will be ready. So जब तक ये रेडी हो रही है तो हम जाते हैं ShadCN की ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, which is, or go to installation and go to Next.js. Okay, so here you can find when it means if you are having any type of package manager like npm, pnpm, yarn or fun, whatever it is, so you can install. Okay, so first of all run this command into your terminal where the Next.js application is built. Okay, so our Next.js application is inside in this ShadCN folder. So I am going to move into the ShadCN folder and paste the command and hit enter. Whatever you can choose, this is only the style. I prefer Jink. So I have initialized the ShadCN into my Next.js project. Let's try to add this button into our project. So just simply copy this command and paste over in the terminal and hit enter only. That's what you have to do. If this kind of warning you see, then choose the dash dash legacy peer depths. It will remove the warning of the what it is saying, the deprecated versions of. Okay, so what it has done, it has firstly created a lib folder. When we initialized this, in this lib folder we are having a utils. Okay, you don't have to touch it. Inside this component there is a UI folder created by the ShadCN, and inside this UI folder you will be getting all your components which you will be using from this ShadCN UI. So here it is the button component. Okay, so let's go to the first of all page.tsx, remove all this from here and simply try to use that button over here. So I will be using the button @ components /UI/button. this is how you can include a button. So let me start this application. So this is the button. We have to pass the child for this. So let's say it a button. So this is how you can create. There are so many props. You can find it out on the ShadCN, or if you are exploring, then go to this by the command plus click or control plus click. So you can see what it is saying. It is having a props, the class name you can pass, the variant, the size, the as child if you want to pass another component as a child. Okay, then you can do this one. And what is variant is type of, let's say if I give it a variant of outline, then it will be a button of outline, type of outline, variant outline. Okay, so this is how outline will work. So this is how, if you, let's say let's try another component. Let's say, yeah, this one, chart one. Okay, let's try to use this one. So simply copy this command, open a new terminal, and just cd to ShadCN first of all, and paste that command. Okay, you can see there we are having a chart.tsx, and we have to include this base layer into our globals.css. So here, uh, yeah, let's copy this one only, and inside this, and this one is for dark, because ShadCN sports dark and light both theme, so that's why. Now let's include that chart. First of all, you have to let's say this is the chart data. Let me copy that from here, and after that, what it is saying, it is saying the chart config holds the configuration of the chart. So let's copy this one also. So the chart config will come from where? From the chart. Okay, so this is what we have to do now. This is the way from where you can let's say use this one. So I'm going to copy this one, all this thing from here. Okay, so we have to import all these things. So chart container from chart container, bar chart from bar chart, bar from bar. Okay, let's try to visit what it is saying. Let's try to make it a use client component. If, yeah, why I made this a use client component, because inside this Next.js is a full stack framework. So this directive, what it is saying this component should be rendered over the client, and after that it will be expecting the client intervention, or the touch, like if we are having a button. So button where would be the button will be accessible inside on the client side. So this is how, that's why I have made this is to a use client. It is not a good practice to make a use client or client component the whole page.tsx, because uh, by doing this you will be losing your ability or the power of the Next.js. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to ideally push this code into a separate file and make that file a client component and directly use that. Okay, so this is how you can use the ShadCN into your project. I hope you guys loved this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.